or Royal Doulton in its very recognisable pattern called Sonnet, H5012, 1971 through to 1998 this was produced. One of its, or Royal Doulton's best-selling patterns on porcelain china of the late 20th century. It's a green and white transfer printed arch design with floral bouquets or vases in the middle, with a little detailing around the inner rim, gilt rims on the outer side, Royal Doulton lion late 20th century marks on the base. They're in very, very good condition, used vintage, occasional knife mark, but otherwise very, very bright. And incredibly, in the dinner service that came our way, we've got 20 of these. Very similar, date matched, very fine condition, Royal Doulton 10.5-inch dinner plates. And if you'd like to find out more about them, availability and what we've got for sale, then follow the link in the description below. There's also quite a bit of Royal Doulton Sonnet tableware, dinner service and tea service going online over the next couple of days. We're working our way through a huge great carton of the stuff, and it should all be listed for sale on the website over the coming couple of days. So if you're looking for other pieces of Sonnet, Royal Doulton china in this design, then do have a browse on our website using the link below. Thanks for watching.